Hey friends, this is Debbie from Dior Design and Decor, and today I am going to just quickly show you how I add UV resin to a shell. Now I've had this shell made probably, I don't know, maybe since last Christmas, but I want to add some UV resin to it. So I'm going to show you quick. Unscrew the cap, pour a little bit on. I'm using this little wand that I actually purchased on Amazon. I have a whole pack of them. The thing I like about them is that all you have to do when you're done is clean it with alcohol. So you notice me just putting another teeny weeny bit of resin on, just spreading it all around. Now, when I'm done here, I'm going to redo the gold to make it a little bit brighter, so I'm not worrying that there's gold on here. Okay, so you want to make sure, see there's like a little bit of a crevice in here. This is called a flat, but it's a little bit curved, which I love the design of it. But you want to make sure that the resin doesn't pool up in that hole, okay? All right, so then I put it here, and my Let's Resin little UV light comes with the whole set. I will put a link under this to my starter set that I like to use, and also these beautiful wands, because it's just a real easy quick cleanup. I mean, with the alcohol, and these will last forever. These are perfectly made to go with the resin. I'm just going to show you quick while I'm waiting for that. One went under the tray. Jeepers creepers, nothing like doing it when you're going live, right? So you get all of these different sizes and shapes, and all of these little ones. And look at on the back, if you wanted to make dots or whatever you want to do on your shells or on your paper. Anyway, they're so reasonably priced. I think right now they might be 33% off. But anyway, I will drop a link for those, and I'll drop a link for the Let's Resin here. It comes like this, and you just unscrew it and you put this other cap on. I bought 4 sets. I went crazy because I've been doing so many shells, but this one bottle has lasted me, oh my goodness, I can't tell you how long. I'm going to show you something really adorable. I just finished resining these little fellas. This is my little Santa Claus. Now you could take this and you could put it over a wine bottle neck, or I made 4 of them and I use them. I'll use them for Christmas. I love the size. It's a perfect little shape. I put resin in there and the gold, and I actually added the pearl while the resin was still wet, and it stuck better than, what is it, ES 3000 or 6000, 3000. 7,000 is for the jewelry, and 6,000 is for main things that you want to glue. Oh, I always leave the back pretty natural, which I love. Anyway, just a cute idea, and that's how shiny it comes with the resin. Now, I set this for 150 seconds. You can do it for 60, 90. Oh, and there it is. And it is all perfectly dry. Adorable.